Doesn't time it. It's Ngidi who runs across and takes it. He has the knack of taking wickets. He struck with the second ball, and it's the Indian captain.
High on the bat, almost on the splice. He takes a little caught and bowled. No catch is ever easy.
Edged and taken. 2 in the over for Lungi Ngidi. We said he strikes every 12 balls in T20 cricket. He struck twice in 6.
And this is the third time he's gone out in the power play for India this World Cup. Good catch by Aiden Markram. He's so far back, he's almost on the ring.
Fielder will get there. Fielder will get there. There's yet another wicket for Lungisani Ngidi.
Ngidi looking to bang his hard, bouncy pitch. Fantastic catch by Rabada down a fine leg. And isn't he happy?
The edge is taken. And you got the feeling he wasn't comfortable against the extra pace. So Deepak Hooda coming back after a long layoff has a very short stay.
The previous shot wasn't that different. This one just takes the edge. South Africa continuing to go with this wobble seam. De Kock takes a fantastic catch.
There's a fielder there. Oh, has he taken it? He has! Kagiso Rabada, you may not have got a wicket when you were bowling, but you've contributed to it. This is stunning.
Good bowling. Pandya rides this short ball, controls it reasonably well. But the man in the deep again, Rabada down at fine leg, reads it like a book. Outstanding, absolutely outstanding.